Jenkins is a powerful open-source automation server that revolutionizes software development. It serves as the backbone for continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines, automating the repetitive tasks of building, testing, and deploying applications. This automation makes development cycles faster, more reliable, and reduces human error. Jenkins follows a master-agent architecture. The Jenkins Master is the central control server that manages the entire Jenkins environment. It handles scheduling, builds, monitoring agent status, storing job configurations, and providing the web interface for users. The Jenkins agents are worker machines that connect to the master and execute the actual build jobs. This distributed architecture allows builds to run in parallel across multiple environments. Jenkins Master and Agents communicate through two main protocols. The SSH method involves the master connecting to the agent via SSH, starting a small agent process and maintaining communication over the SSH connection. The JNLP or Agent Protocol method allows the agent to initiate the connection to the master, which is particularly useful when firewalls prevent the master from directly reaching the agent. The master sends build tasks to agents and receives results, including console output and artifact. Jenkins power comes from three key components. Plugins extend Jenkins functionality by integrating with various tools like Git for version control, Maven for building, and Docker for containerization. Jobs are the core units of work that define what needs to be done, such as building, testing, or deploying applications. Pipelines represent jobs defined as code, typically in a Jenkins file stored in source control. They model the entire software delivery process, with support for complex workflows, parallel execution, and conditional logic. In real-world implementation, Jenkins orchestrates the complete CI/CD pipeline. Continuous integration starts when developers commit code, triggering Jenkins to automatically build, compile, and test the application, providing immediate feedback on any failures. Continuous delivery extends this by automatically deploying successful builds to staging environments and preparing them for production deployment. Continuous deployment takes it further by automatically releasing every change that passes all pipeline stages to production. Jenkins provides visibility into the entire process, automates repetitive tasks, and ensures consistency across all builds and deployments.